everybody! This is going to be a video about how to make a multiplication flower to practice your multiplication facts. This is the end product. So you're going to need a blank piece of paper or a whiteboard if you'd like, and a pencil. Your first step is to draw a circle in the middle of the paper. You can do this by hand or you can find something small and round to trace. Next step is we're going to make marks on the outside of our circle, like a clock. So we're going to divide this into sections. I want you to put one mark at the top, one mark at the bottom, small, one mark where the 3 o'clock would be, and one mark where the 9 o'clock would be. Okay, so you're going to have 4 marks total in your circle. Now, in between those 2 marks, you're going to put 2 more. Spread them out so they're even, and do that all the way around. If I'm going too fast, you can always slow down. Your final product with this step will look just like a clock. Okay? Then you're going to start drawing your small petals. So your small petals are just going to go a little bit out from each mark, and you're going to come back to the other ones. So you're going to go up and back down, up and back down. And it is easier if you turn your paper as you're making your small petals. If some of them are smaller and some of them are taller or wider or skinnier than others, totally fine. That's what makes your flower unique. Okay, you're going to go all the way around. I'm going to go ahead and skip ahead until you get to this. Okay, so you're going to go all the way around. Now you have all of your small petals done. And notice some of mine are different sizes. That's okay. Now you're going to make your larger petals. So you're going to take the same marks and you're going to go up and out from the circle to make your your taller petals. You're going to turn your page again. Go all the way around. And if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video. Okay. And you might want to make just a practice one first so you can get the hang of drawing petals. Okay, you're going to go all the way around until you get all of your outside petals drawn. Once you have all of your outside petals drawn, you can do the stem. Your stem's going to come down, kind of twirling. It's thicker at the bottom. And you can put a leaf on the side. Just draw some leaves, little veins in the leaves. All right, and now you're ready to actually put your multiplication tables in here. So I am going to show you how to do this with the multiplication 5 facts. I want you to choose a number higher than 5, less than 10, but higher than 5. Okay? It's a good idea to choose a number that you need practice with. If you already know these facts, then you don't need practice with them. Maybe choose a 7 or an 8 so you get some practice with those facts. Whatever number you choose, you're going to write that in the middle. I'm choosing a 5 factors, so I'm going to write a 5 right in the middle. And then our multiplication flower is going to go from 0 to 11 today. So at the top, I'm going to write a 0 in the small petals. These are the outside factors. I'm going to go all the way around until you get to 11. Okay, so the middle factor and the small petal is another factor. Your product goes in the large petal. So 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3, 15. And you're going to proceed like that all the way around until you get to the very last stage. You should have now your single factor that you chose, all of your outside factors in your small petals, and then all of your products in the large petals. Okay? At this point, if you wanted to trace your numbers with a black marker or a pen to make them a little darker, you can go ahead and do that. And then it is time to color. So what I did was I chose blue. Blue is my favorite color. I chose a light blue to go on the inside petals and a dark blue to go on the outside petals. You can choose whatever color you want. You can have your inside petals be a completely different color, not just a different shade than the outside petals. It's up to you. You could have each fact be a different color if you wanted to. Okay? All right, I hope you had fun with this, and feel free to watch this video again if you want to make more flowers.